All right, so the project we're going to take on today is we're going to repurpose some really cool stuff from Idaho history. These long spikes were long tom spikes down at a mining operation not too far from here. The gear, I have no idea what that was from, but it was found in the same area as these spikes, and I know they were doing a lot of long tom sluicing there and so forth. So we're going to try and turn this into something, give it some new hope, or not new hope, some new life. These All right, so here they are straightened on out, and why I believe these are all hand forged, every one of them's different. They all have different marks, even those two. Similar lengths, but not perfect. Now this is what I love though, the texture of these. So what we're gonna do is try to make some beautiful flowers out of this. See what happens.